Hey everyone, Mini Handbags here, and welcome or welcome back to my channel, guys. If you guys are new here, please make sure to click that subscribe button because your girl is super close to 1,000 subscribers. And once I hit 1,000 subscribers, guys, it's gonna be giveaway time. Y'all, I am super excited. So today, guys, I do have another unboxing for you. This one is from Dillard's, but it is a Dooney and Bourke unboxing. So I'm going to go ahead and throw up the unboxing, and then I'll come back and share the bag with you guys. Hey guys, so as you guys can tell from the unboxing, I got a Dooney and Bourke Satchel 30 in the zebra print. Now this was a gift from hubby for Christmas, and I am super excited to have this bag in my collection. As you guys can tell, your girl is smiling from ear to ear because I've been wanting this satchel since it came out in the zebra print and have been waiting for it to go on sale. And y'all, I finally got her added to my collection. And here she is, y'all. She is absolutely gorgeous. Y'all, I am so loving this year's zebra print from Dooney and Bourke. They did an awesome job on the zebra print for this bag. Now, this is a Florentine bag. It does have the vachetta leather on the sides here on the bumper. And do y'all see the details with the folds on the side? Oh, so pretty, y'all. Take a moment. Take her all in because she is absolutely gorgeous. She does have the Florentine handles, the Florentine duck patch on the front as well. Now this bag does come with a shoulder and crossbody strap as well too. I love the O-rings on the front for the handles. It allows for the handles to lay flat down on the bag if you wanted to wear this as a crossbody. It does have the gold hardware on here. You get your braided zipper pull, but y'all, do y'all see the lining in the inside? This is one of my favorite linings from Dooney and Bourke. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, this bag did not come factory wrapped, but sometimes when you purchase from places like your department stores, sometimes it may or may not come wrapped. It just depends. But I have already looked over her, and I don't have like any scratches or anything like that on the vachetta leather. So I am absolutely fine with it. Now, one thing that I did notice that I do want to point out to you guys, just in case you pick up this satchel, mine has like smaller zebra stripes on the front. And then on the back, as you guys can see, it's much larger. Now, I absolutely love that, y'all. I think this is two separate pieces just because the way it's sewn down at the bottom. Not sure if it is or isn't, but I think that it is. As you can see, this bag does come with 4 feet on the bottom. So let's go ahead and take a quick peek in the interior. It does come with a dust bag just in case you need it. This is the crossbody here. So let's go ahead and open that up really quickly, just so we can get kind of like a quick look at this. I believe this is the 2-part, not the 3-part, but we're about to see. So let's check it out really quickly. Yeah. So actually, is it? I think this is the 3-part. Okay. Let me finish unwrapping it real quick so we can get into it. All right. So it is the 3-part. Here's the first part you unbuckle, and then that's the second part. So you can take the middle part out here and to make it into a short shoulder. So I do love that about this because this is how I like to wear my satchels anyway, as a short shoulder. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on so you guys can see what it looks like. And I do have it on the first hole right here. And let's see, this is what it looks like. So, yep, love that, y'all. And this is exactly how I'm going to keep it because I like wearing mine as a short shoulder, not as a crossbody. We're going to go ahead and take the rest of the stuffing out so we can take a peek in the inside. So as you guys can see, it does come with that zip and slip on the back wall. And it does have the Dooney and Bourke little patch underneath that slip pocket. That's just like a fabric piece that they sewed onto the bag. And then on the front wall, they do have a large slip pocket and a smaller slip pocket. And then you also get your key leash for the bag as well, too. All right. And yeah, guys, I am so excited to have this bag in my collection. She is absolutely beautiful. I love this zebra print this year, y'all. Y'all let me know your thoughts on the zebra print for this year. If you guys are loving it or if there's another zebra print collection that dropped before this that you guys like better. But I think this is one of the best ones that Dooney and Bourke did thus far. All right, guys, so let's get into the measurements of this beautiful bag. Now, like I said, hubby did pick this up off of Dillard's, so I did pull it up on the Dillard's website, and they actually have this bag permanently reduced now to $268.50. It was originally $358. Okay. And I don't know when they actually did the permanent reduction on the price, but $268.50, you can't beat that, especially if you missed the sale Dooney had when this was like, I think like $159 or something like that. If you missed that sale and you still want this bag, it is available on Dillard's. I will make sure to leave it linked down below. As far as the measurements goes for this bag, the height of the bag is 8 inches. The length of the bag is 11.5, and then the width of the bag on the bottom is 5.75, so almost 6 inches on the bottom. So this bag would definitely hold all of your essentials. And of course, the more you use the bag and soften up this leather, it will end up showing you that iconic Dooney and Bourke smile that we all look forward to when rocking their satchels, guys. All right, guys. So that was my Dooney and Bourke unboxing from Dillard's. Let me know if you was able to get your hands on this beautiful Satchel 30 in the zebra print, or if you have any of the other Dooney and Bourke zebra prints in your collection. Let me know which one you like the best, guys. Now, don't forget, if you stuck with me this far, to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you're not, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers, y'all. And you know what happens then? It's going to be giveaway time. Y'all, I am super excited, y'all. All right, so make sure to share this video, leave a nice comment down below. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.